Okay, new set. Run it back. Run it back. So how you been, Jal? How you been? You been all right? You've been tearing it up in the speed running category. I saw you doing the Monster Hunter. You've been tearing it up over there. The hype music has returned. A lot of what you told me many moons ago is stuck. Thank you for that, for real. Oh, you mean just like putting in the time and going for it? Because that's really all it is. Just let the luck happen. That type of thing. Hey, man, I'm glad it helped somebody. God knows. To get luck. That's all. Yeah, that's what Twitch is all about. Is the luck. But no problem, man. Trust me, I love hearing myself talk so much that I will give advice to anybody who will listen on that front. Trust me, I will do that. Well, I sit here in this cult of 20 people watching me play bowling and fucking Tekken, trying to get the perfect score with fucking Fang Wei. Because that's my life now. I'm not really a competitive gamer these days, but I do like bowl. Stories 2 waiting room? I don't even know what that is.
Frame 6, first throw.
Could have used a little bit more spin on that. Think I'm gonna pay for it. No, I'm not. Turn-based Monster Hunter? Whoa. Demos out on Switch is a lot of fun. Will it let you skip cutscenes?
Frame 7, first throw.
Because I think that's the... Yes, in big, bold capital letters. Yes. I'm glad to hear that, because that's a big... I know, as a speedrunner, you just want to get right to it. You know what I mean? Right to it. You have a mod for that world now. Okay.
Frame 8, first
I bet that's the preferred category because people are just tired of seeing it. I wouldn't blame them. I wouldn't blame them.
great. Frame 9, first throw.
Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it a little bit, chat?
Great.
Can we talk about it?
Frame 10, first throw.
Mmm. Mmm.
Great. Frame 10, second throw.
Mmm.
Frame 10, third throw.
Perfect score, baby. Perfect fucking score, baby. Perfect fucking score. Oh,
New record.
that's a 300 3 fucking hundo in that shit. Mmm. Mmm. It took us what? An hour and 40 minutes? An hour and 50 minutes? Oh, yes. Ugh. And now what do we fucking do? Oh, shit. I'm going to actually have to fucking play Tekken.